Welcome back to the Shreve Crump & Low YouTube channel. Remember to click the subscribe button and follow us on Instagram to stay up to date on all of our newest watches and videos. Today we will be unboxing the wildly anticipated Omega Speedmaster Ed White Caliber 321 reissue. Please note, while Shreve Crump & Low is Boston's authorized point of sale for all new Omega timepieces, this specific watch is available via our certified pre-owned selection. Please visit our website at www.shrevecrumpandlow.com to view our entire offering of certified pre-owned timepieces. As we open the black outer box, you will find a classic black nylon-wrapped Omega Speedmaster inner box, branded with the Omega Speedmaster logo. This box contains your owner's manual and warranty cards. You will also find an Omega branded loop and 2 flight-qualified NATO straps for your watch, extra spring bars, and an official Omega spring bar accessory tool. The official modern reference number designated for the Ed White is 311.30.40.30.01.001, which differs from the traditional Speedmaster Professional in several subtle but important ways. You may have noticed that this reference features straight lugs instead of the twisted lugs of the Speedy Pro. These straight lugs harken back to the Speedmasters of the 1960s. The case sits at an optimal 39.7 millimeters, making this an ideally sized sports chronograph for any wrist. The updated Omega OEM flat link bracelet with sleek outer polished links and screw-in link adjustment offers modern security with classic vintage styling. It is obvious from the familiar design that this is indeed a Speedmaster, but what is not obvious is what is within. The largest difference is the beautiful Caliber 321 manually wound chronograph movement. This Caliber 321 has been faithfully reconstructed by 3D scanning an original Caliber 321. While this is a modern watch, the movement inside will bring Omega collectors back to the late 1960s, when these watches were first being tested by NASA for flight qualification. The Speedmaster case elements reference key elements of previous Speedies, specifically the venerable reference ST-105.003 that accompanied astronaut Ed White on his missions into space. Details such as the .over-90 bezel and step dial pay homage to these Speedmasters of the past. This scan produced a highly precise 3D model of the original Caliber 321, which was used to model and build the reissued Caliber Omega calls the new original 321. This groundbreaking 3D scanning process has brought this historic and beautiful movement back into production. The new original Caliber 321 is plated with a warm Sedna gold opposed to the original copper tone plating, and even remains true to the use of untreated German silver for the clutch bridge. This movement is a true testament to the marriage of modern and vintage technology. This is the ultimate Speedmaster for any collector. This chronograph has every ounce of vintage styling, but is paired with modern construction, giving the wearer supreme confidence. When it comes time to choose between the Ed White or Rolex Daytona, just remember that the Daytona never went to space. Once again, Shreve Crump & Low is proud to offer this Omega Speedmaster Ed White from our certified pre-owned watch collection. Check us out on our website www.shrevecrumpandlow.com or email us at sales@shrevecrumpandlow.com. We hope to hear from you very soon.